If you're a four-wheel drive enthusiast, camper, or someone who needs air without the luxury of power, then you have to check out the 12-volt air compressor by Renegade Industrial. This here isn't one of those totally cheap compressors that takes ages to pump a tyre. Featuring a cast iron bore and piston, this unit also comes with its own compact 5-litre onboard tank, unlike a lot of other 12-volt compressors. Connecting straight to your battery with heavy-duty alligator clips, this compressor pumps an impressive 112 litres per minute. It also features a built-in regulator with twin quick-release air fittings. Light enough to be extremely mobile, weighing in at around 15 kilos, and small enough to make it a permanent feature inside your four-wheel drive canopy. These are a must for your next adventure. As soon as you power up one of these units, you'll realise why they've been a bestseller in our lineup since 2009. So whether you're pumping up tyres or wanting to blow the sand out of your swag so you don't wake up looking like a crumb sausage, drop into a trade tools store or shop online to pick up one of these Renegade Industrial 12-volt air compressors.